Greetings and good wishes, students and parents. This is Rajarajan's Education Channel, run by Students Vision Academy. On behalf of Student Vision Academy and this channel, I wish you all a good luck. We share with you all the education related news to help you. In that, I am going to give few informations in this program. Number one, the medical aspirants. Other than MBBS and BDS, you are aware there are a lot of courses like BS in Nursing, BPharm, BA SLP, BPT Physiotherapy, BSc Radiography and Imaging Technology, BSc Radiotherapy Technology, BSc Cardiopulmonary Perfusion Technology, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc Dialysis Technology, BSc Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology, BSc Cardiac Technology, BSc Critical Care Technology, BSc Physician Assistant, BSc Accident and Emergency Care Technology, BSc Respiration Therapy, BOT, Occupational Therapy courses, B Ophthalmology courses. For all these courses, Directorate of Medical Education has given an announcement for you to apply. For the students who have finished their 12th standard with the suitable group with biology, that is maths, physics, chemistry, biology, or physics, chemistry, biology, or botany and zoology. This is a time for you to apply for these courses. These courses are not coming under NEET. You are supposed to apply based on your marks. The online application from citizens of India, a native of Tamil Nadu, for admission for all these courses, in the government medical colleges, self-financing paramedical institution in the state of Tamil Nadu through single window system, that is through single window counseling. You can go into the website www.tnhealth.tn.government.in or www.medicalselection.org. The commencement of online registration application commences on 1/10/2020, 10 a.m. and the last date for online application, registration of application is on 15/10/2020 by 5 p.m. Remember, the last date for submission of filled application 17/10/2020, 5 p.m. Take care and make a note of it. The application and prospectus cost about ₹400 rupees. You can go into the website and see, and you can pay that through debit or credit card or net banking to get the applications. And you take care of all these things. And application special category, children of ex-servicemen, orthopedically, physically challenged. There's candidates applying for special category should submit the prescribed special category format, duly filled and enclose the same along with the common application from the same card. They should pay an additional amount of ₹100 via bank payment portal or by means of demand draft drawn in favor of the Secretary, Selection Committee, Keel Park, Chennai 10, payable at Chennai. So remember, forget not to apply for all these courses if you are interested, other than medical courses. This is the number one information I am interested to give you. The next is about the law courses. That is 3-year undergraduation for law studies. For that, the commencement of application is from September 30. And you can go into the website http://tnalu.ac.in. In the website you can get all the informations. You must apply for these courses on or before October 7, you remember. So this is regarding the law courses. Forget not to apply for this, the people who are interested in the law courses. And any students who have taken any group can apply for this. So regarding CLAT, Common Law Admission Test for the National Law University, that is by what? Common entrance exam. This particular course, this course in Tamil Nadu doesn't have any entrance exam. You can straight away apply based on your marks. This is the second information I am interested to give you. Then the third information is Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, that's what I told you, that is law admissions. I have given all the details, and the last day to apply is October 28 and November 4 respectively for these things. It has been extended. Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University announced application for 3 years. LLB program will be available from Wednesday and LLM program from October 7. Offline application will be issued from August 10. The last date to apply are October 28 and November 4 respectively. That is one thing. Another thing is Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Science University, TANUVAS, TANUVAS. This has extended the last date for submission of online application for undergraduate courses till October 9. Right? October 9. So you can make a note of this. This is meant for what? For all Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, BVSC and AH courses, and BTech Food Technology, BTech Dairy Technology, and BTech Poultry Technology. All these things. So you have to apply. The last date for submission of these applications for NRI wards is October 23, 6 p.m. So you go into the website and see that you are applying for this. Another important thing is Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology. The people who are interested to study the space related courses called IIST. This IIST institution, that is, it is a deemed university under Section 3 of UGC Act 1956. It's an autonomous institution run by Department of Space by Government of India. It is in Thiruvananthapuram. So what are the courses in this? You can see 4-year BTech in Aerospace Engineering, 4-year BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, Avionics, 5-year dual degree BTech and Master of Science and MTech program. These are the courses. This particular institution is focused towards space science, space technology and space related areas. And right from 2007, this was inaugurated by the former chairman of ISRO, Dr. Madhavan Nair. The object of this institution is to provide high quality people for Indian space research. Now you are aware how good, how ambitious space research is. If you are interested, you can apply for this. And this BTech Aerospace Engineering Avionics, dual degree BTech plus Master of Science or MTech, and PG courses and various areas are available in this particular institution. The candidate aspiring to join this examination should have appeared in Joint Entrance Examination IIT Advanced 2020 after getting qualified in JEE Main and satisfied all the specified eligibility criteria in the UG admission. Right. So you can go into the website www.iist.ac.in/admissions/undergraduate or http://admissions.iist.ac.in. Now the online registration commences from 27/9/2020, ends in 7/10/2020. The online payment registration fees on or before 7/10/2020, and admission rank list is available on 8/10/2020. The seat allotment and acceptance round starts from 10/10/2020. So you students, if you are interested and you are IIT aspirant, you have gone into advanced, JEE advanced, then you can apply for this space research courses. Wish you all a good luck. Thank you.